There is a penchant for bullish bets on FASTLY, and FASTLY is an American cloud computing services provider. It provides a cloud platform for content delivery, for internet security services, load balancing, video and streaming services. So this now brings us to this piece, the same piece that brought our attention to FASTLY, and written by Laura Mark Candless of Schaeffer Investment Research. And she began by saying, content delivery network name FASTLY Inc. is trading at never before seen levels today. That was 25th of June 2020, up 7.8% at 82 and 3, pacing for its highest close on record and its 10th consecutive daily win. The IT services specialist announced earlier that its partnership with NexTech AR just achieved a breakthrough enterprise in video security with its implementation of JWT, which could be putting even more wind at the rallying equities back. The stock is now up an eye-popping 298.2% for the year, and going on its 8th straight weekly win, its longest streak since going public last year. FASTLY is attracting plenty of traders to the options pit so far. 42,000 calls and 16,000 puts have exchanged hands, 4 times what's typically seen at this point. Most importantly is the weekly June the 26th, 85 strike call, where new positions are being opened. This suggests that traders are speculating on more upside for FASTLY by the time the contract expires today, the 26th of June 2020. This penchant for bullish bets is typical, considering that in the last 10 days, 29,061 calls exchanged compared to 11,656 puts. Analysts are echoing this sentiment, with 7 out of 9 in coverage spotting a strong buy, while the remaining 2 stand at a tentative hold rating. Meanwhile, the 12-month consensus price target of 38.88 is a whooping 52.6% discount to current levels. Despite this recent rally, short is up 54.1% during the last 2 reporting periods. So it's worth noting that FASTLY is firmly in overbought territory. That's the equities 14-day relatively strong strength index of 87 indicates that a short-term breather may be coming up soon for FSLY. Yes, that was also echoed here on Chatmail. It says here, prices have been rising strongly lately. It may be a good idea to wait for a consolidation or a pullback before considering an entry. Okay, so we're just gonna have a look here and see and show you that June the 26th 85 strike, and you see what they're talking about. That's it here. See, it has the most open interest. That's open interest, OI open interest, 22,128.28. We're talking about in the number of shares. You're going to multiply that. If they have to exercise all of that, then we're talking about that will be multiplied by 100. That will be 21,000 and 21,280, sorry. And I don't see any other open interest of any of the for this June the 26, that is more than that. It is the most, it is where the largest open interest lies. The problem is that by the time the market opens, there might be some decay for those who are still holding out, and they will have to rely on some very strong upward momentum to ensure that the decay is not effective enough. So we're just going to go back here and look at the summary page, and we'll see the put call ratio for 30-day and 1 day. They are both 0.4, and it has a market capitalization of $8.4 billion, enterprise value of $8.3 billion. Shares outstanding is 103 million. Short interest is 4.6%. So we're back to the chart here, and we can see the price curve and the time series forecast. That's this one, this red one. They are very much in tandem. They are very much the price series forecast hasn't left the price line. It hasn't departed from it. It's just sticking with it. Predicting, if not accurately, or I would say better. And they all coincided at they both coincided at 81. Is it? Okay, it's slightly above the it's the time series forecast is 81.88, and the market FASTLY closed at 81.67, but not very much of a difference. And so look at what they're saying. Yes, this was the 12th of June. So since the 12th of June, it has continued to accelerate. There has not been any pullback. There has not been any. We just have this sideways movement here on between the 23rd and the 24th, and then on the 25th again it moved up again. So yes, that will definitely indicate that. Yes, you can see why the relative strength index. You can see this bar charts. I think they represent volume. You can see there, since that time they have since the 17th they have continued to rise. So just as they said, you have to probably you may have to wait for a pullback. But at the same time, the reverse could be the case. The price might continue to skyrocket, and those who are already there will notice that because the volume is much of the share volume are already locked in and held, then that might also add more pressure to the price, and they might continue to go up. And yes, it may also tempt some people to sell to come out. So but going by we don't have that figure here, even though they are saying that the people at Schaeffer Investment Research are saying that the short interest is at 6.6%. If that figure is accurate, then well, it is people will, there's a good chance people will want to hold on, and people may be tempted to come and join in, and that will feel more feel the upward momentum as well. So what would that be now if unless people are tempted to sell out and other stuff? But okay, well, this will this high short interest, will it attract yet more short traders on it? You never know. It could, it might, but what is certain is that people, when they see this sort of short-term interest ratios, short interests, they want to come in and join in, because this is also yet another equity that is another stock that is delivering constantly, and of late has delivered since probably before the middle of this month. It has continued to perform very well. Yeah, I wouldn't advise you to bet against against FSLY, against FASTLY. Yeah, but there's a good chance, a very good chance that it might even go up a bit more before there is a breather occurs. And already we're seeing here that it's up 1.3% in the pre-market, is it? 1.22%. So, well, the breather may occur today, it may not. Okay, I think it's already trading in the pre-market. There's already 0.07%. All right, thank you very much for watching this video. We'll continue to bring to you more and more interesting stocks, or for you to get to know what's going on with them. Thank you very much again for watching this video. Please don't fail to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.